Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center. We're focusing now on ballooning fundamentals, the small little things that are easy for you to start as a beginner to master, to give your balloon designs that little extra value, a little punch, starting to get into the professional look. All right, so today we're going to do the 1-260 balloon bow. Okay, I'm going to take you through it step by step. Here we go. Take your 260 in whatever color you want to use. I'm using Sempertex Violet, okay? I'm going to inflate it. And I'm going to inflate it all the way. You can see it's quite tight. We don't want it that tight because we need to make some twists in it. So with this hand, I'm going to let out some air until you can easily get it to pinch together. Okay, you're going to lose a little bit on the end. That's okay. We're going to tie it at the neck. We're going to smooth it out. Take your hands, run it along. You could even spin off a little bit and push the air right down to the end and then smooth it out a little bit more. So you can see I'm very easily pinching this together, but it is popping back to shape. Okay, that's the consistency you want. If you're struggling with your bows and they keep popping, it's because you don't have the right amount of air in there. Okay, this is my version. There's a lot out there. Find the one that works for you, but I'm going to walk you through this one. Okay, I take my balloon and I fold it in half, making sure my ends are equal. Then I go up about 9 inches. Okay, but you can see I'm not measuring it, I'm eyeballing it. Okay, you spin that around to make a connection. It sort of looks like an awareness ribbon. Okay, then bring it up to the top. So your loop is exactly in half. You can take that top and spin it. Now you've got a fold over spin at the top. You've got your 2 loops. It kind of looks like a fish. Okay, now you're going to take the head of the fish and you're going to bring it down and spin it around this connection point. Okay, so bring it down and then you can easily take this side and spin it. Now it comes out looking a mess, but you take a second to fix everything, round your hoops. Okay, and there's your basic ribbon. You can take it one step further and sort of play with these. Don't forget to trim off the neck of your balloon. You don't want to see that ugly bit. Okay, clean up your mechanics. All right, so that is the basic bow. This can be added to any number stack, garland, whatever you would like, and you are good to go. All right, I hope you like this video and it helps you in your journey of ballooning yourself. Bye for now.